Welcome to my channel. Today we learn 10 lines essay on Parrot. Let's start. Parrot. Parrot is a very beautiful bird. It has a green feather. It has a red curved beak. The male parrot has a black ring on the neck. Parrots found in warm countries. It eats grains, fruits, leaves and seeds, etc. Parrots are good learners and speak like human voice. It lives in the hollows of the tree. Some people keep this bird in a cage at home. Many people love to keep parrots as a pet.